Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. Okay, guys, today we're going to be backtesting XAUUSD. Whew. Hmm. Okay, let's go. Start backtesting XAUUSD. I don't know if my camera is too. This is a lot better. Yeah. Honestly, let's do a prop farm challenge today so that I can finish. So 1, 2, 3. Bucket target 8. So the end of the video will be either you lose or you win this farm. Don't tell me the market is ranging, man. Okay, the market is not ranging. Thought I had someone call. Anyways, this is a pretty easy. This is a pretty easy daily bias. High, low, higher, higher, low, higher, high. So yeah, pretty much bullish on the 1 day. Let's see, 4 hour. And the 4 hour is a bit more interesting. So we had this high, low, low, higher, low. Oops. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. Okay. Okay, but internally we kind of made an internal change of character here. Yeah, but I don't think it's gonna be that much of a big deal because we had to break past this low here to form an actual change of character. So let's look at the 1 hour. 1 hour definitely looks a lot more interesting. So bullish, bullish. Let's see this. So we went low, high, higher, low, no higher, high. Okay, this is interesting. So low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, lower, high, lower, low. So we broke past this higher high here. We broke past this lower high, forming forming a change of character. We still haven't broke this high, so I think the market is still bearish. So 1 hour is bearish. Let's look at 15. 15 just looked like it was ranging a lot, to be honest. Let's see. So low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high. Okay, okay. 15 minute looks bullish. 15 minute definitely looks bullish because first of all, we broke past this higher low. Wait, let's see what higher low we broke past actually. So low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then we did a lower low, then a lower high, lower low, and a higher high. Okay, so we had this weak change of character here, and then we had this BOS over here. So the market was bullish until it crossed above this lower high, higher, yeah, lower high, forming a weak change of character. Forming a weak change of, yeah, actually not a weak change of character, strong change of character. So here, what does this tell us? This tells us that you can look for both buys and sells. Problem is we don't have any place to anchor our sell zone of. The best thing that I could possibly see here, honestly, I have no idea. Anyways, what time is it? I'm to fast forward all the way to London session. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, it's 11, so 12. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think now we can start looking for actually let me go and redo my daily is bullish. 4 hour should be bullish now. 1 hour also bullish, and 15 minutes is also bullish. So yeah, basically now that all of them are bullish, we now have to look for points of interest where we're going to look to trade. Okay, let's look at where our Asian high is, our Asian low. Okay, so we have our Asian low here plus this fair value gap over here. I'll just mark that out. I know it's kind of far away, but so 2033. Okay, there's also this fair value gap here. Honestly, I think we go off the fair value gap. Let me check the 4 hour time frame. I don't think this 4 hour is closed yet. 23. Oh, it is closed. Okay, so then actually let's use this for our fair value gap and then refine it. We can look for a sniper entry. Okay, now we can refine this zone to there plus this one our OB over here, which also includes the Asian low. Yeah, that's a really good zone. Okay, so we're only looking for buys today, so literally there's nothing else we can do. So 5 minutes and 1 minute. The best thing I can try to do is look for a sell, maybe using the 5 minute time frame. Let's see what we can cook up. So we have this low, high, lower, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high. So we can look for price to break past this zone here with the body candle close to look for sales. Let's see what happens. It's like price just keeps on pumping. Okay, let's look again. Lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high. So we broke past this. I'm going to wait for us to break past this one actually, and then retest to continue lower. There we go. Body candle close. We have a fair value gap and a bearish engulfing. Need us to test that fair value gap. Okay, I think we can enter from here actually. I'm gonna go short. Stop loss above that, and then take profit. Honestly, let's do a 1-to-1 now that we're counter trading. Okay, amazing rejection, stop loss to break even, and then we close, partial close, percentage, and close 50% of that trade. And we get stopped out. That's really not a big problem, honestly, guys. So now we are approaching London session. So what we're gonna do is we're going to leave the zone and look for newer zones. So that looked like a liquidity sweep, honestly speaking. But let's see what we can cook up. Okay, so we broke past this small fair value gap here, broke past this fair value gap here as well. We could look for price to come back down to here actually. We have this 1 hour fair value gap plus an OB, and then as for our sell zone, it's going to probably be this whatever this is, this OB here that also happens to be the London high. So that's our sell zone, and this is our buy zone. Both of which are really kinda like this is a really high distance. Actually, let's use this one, our fair value gap, for our fair value gap, and then this zone is kind of huge though. I think as much as it's huge, it's still a valid zone. Yeah, so let's just do that. The zones are pretty tight, to be honest. Let's see what I can narrow this down to in the 15-minute time frame. I guess the best bet will probably narrow it down to this OB over here. Yeah, I think that's the best we can do. Anyways, let's see what happens. Okay, now let's look at the price on the 1 minute. So we have made a low, a low, a low, a high. Actually, let's look at the actual whole thing. So we made a high, low, high, low, high, low, high, high, higher, low, low, high, lower, low, low, high, lower, low, low, high, lower, low, high, high. Then we jumped here to make a lower, low, lower, high, higher, low, lower, high, higher, low, higher, high. So we're currently bullish on the 1 minute candle. Let's see here. And for us to shift bullish, I mean bearish, we have to close above this line over here. Let's see how price decides to behave. So we made a weak change of character, and then we haven't retested anything yet, so not gonna enter this trade yet. Ooh, tested this OB. Shall I risk it, guys? Hmm. Honestly, I think I go for it. Stop loss above this high. Take profit 1 to 1. There you go. Let's see. Okay. I probably shouldn't have risked it. Especially on the 1 minute. Why did I use the 1 minute, bro? Yeah. Okay. Okay, we messed that up, but it's okay. Hmm. Let's see. Hi, hi, hi. So now I'm just going to wait for it to tap one of the zones before we actually take a trade. There we go. We tapped our sell zone. We did rejection. Let's see. Low, high, 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 low, high, high, higher, low, high, high, higher, low, high, high, higher, low, high, 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 low. Okay, so we need to break past this. Actually, let's use this. The body candle flows before I look for sells lower. There we go. Pretest. Let's Let's see. Do I get 2R from this? I don't wait. Hmm. Honestly, I think we go for it. Holy shit. Yeah. Yeah. That's so unfortunate. What did I even enter off of here? I entered off um no bullish engulfing. That was my first mistake. I would have at least even entered here after this bullish engulfing. Hmm. Anyways, well, that's why it's so difficult trading market conditions that look like this, man. It really is really difficult. Anyways, we fast forward to the next session. You can see it never tapped our buy zone, which kind of hurts, bro. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Okay, so where do we even draw our zones here, bro? Honestly, these market conditions are literally unreadable. Honestly, I'm just gonna go to the next day. Holy shit. What happened here? Oh, price tapped our buy zone, finally. And then it just rocketed off of it, ricocheted off of it. It's like price went all the way down to our enemy. Okay, so now we wait till the next day. Four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I think this is going to be a whole lot easier to trade than what we had before. So we have our we have this value gap is all these value gaps are fully mitigated, which is kind of crazy. Um, so now we have to look for our zones. I wonder how much better it will be just trading off the 1 hour. I have to backtest that too. But as for now, 1 hour and 58 minutes. Looks like we just tapped this 1 hour fair value gap and price is currently rejecting off of it. Also have this 1 hour OB all the way up here. Bang. So I think that's going to be our sell zone. Uh, what, what high is this? Oh, this is the Asian high. That's really good. And I think we already tapped our buy zone, to be honest. Because we have our fair value gap here. Shalina. It's just a fair value gap. And plus it's already been tapped 3 times. So I need a stronger zone. Check what's available on the 15 minutes. Hmm. Honestly, with the right confirmations, I'm going to look for buy up here. Okay, let's see. So made a high, low, higher, low, higher, high, lower, low. Made a change of character here. Then lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So if we break past this high here, form a change of character. Okay, and price just dips like crazy. Okay, so for our new zone, I'm going to use this OB. It's 1 hour OB. Plus we have a fair value gap here. Yeah, so retest continue lower. That's going to be our buy zone. And for our sell zone, we have this kind of an OB here. Bro, that we literally just tapped. I'm gonna wait for confirmations. We have a change of character, bullish engulfing. Retest. Oh my god, bro. Man, let me just go landmark.